Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Gold's Gym membership easy tutorial step by step clearly. To reset your Gold's Gym membership, start by gathering your account information. This includes your membership number, email address, and any other identification details required. Next, visit the Gold's Gym website. Look for the Contact Us or Help section at the bottom of the page. Click on it to access the customer service options. You may find a live chat feature for quick assistance. If preferred, you can also find the customer service phone number listed here. Be prepared to provide your account information when you connect with a representative. Explain that you need assistance with resetting your membership. The representative will guide you through the reset process. They may ask for verification details to ensure your identity. Follow their instructions closely to complete the reset. If you encounter any difficulties, ask for clarification at any point. After the reset is completed, check your email for confirmation. You may need to log in to your Gold's Gym account to verify the changes. If anything seems off, reach out to customer service again for support. Finally, make sure to note down any new login credentials or details provided. Your Gold's Gym membership should now be reset successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.